So that just kind of just goes to show that, you know, if you like something, you have a passion for it, you can probably make money off of it. So remember, the grind don't stop. You gotta keep hustling, find your passion.
What's going on, everyone? This is Edgar and Nathan here with the Grind Don't Stop. Out here working on a maintenance detail. We got 2 vehicles today. This is the first time Nathan does them in a while. I usually do them by myself because they always want them done on a Tuesday, and usually Nate's not available. But I'm doing them today with Nathan. How do you feel about them, Nathan?
It's not bad. It's nice that they usually book schedule a wash on a monthly basis, so everything kind of just stays clean. It's always good to have these maintenance washes because it's a nice consistency of revenue flow, I guess, or
pay the bills, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's not too bad overall. It's just some light cleaning, vacuuming, wipe down. Usually if I'm working by myself, it takes me 2.5 hours to complete it, 2.5 to 3 hours depending how dirty it is. But since both of us are here, I'm trying to leave by 3 hours for both vehicles. I'm already halfway done with the other one. Nathan just did the outside and I was helping him a little bit, and then he started on the inside right now. So it should be a quick 2 vehicles. So we'll show you the process in a bit.
So I was just asking Edgar how the minivan usually is, and what were you telling me about it, Edgar?
Yeah, so the minivan is actually a little dirty. We don't actually do that one as often as the truck, just because the last few times it was in an accident, so she wanted me to hold off on it. And I was telling Nathan that the customer actually uses this minivan whenever she does her Tupperware. So she sells Tupperware. So she goes out to shows, I think like once a month, and they have that RV, if you guys can see it in the background. So they go to the shows and they camp out, and then they sell their Tupperware stuff. That's what she does full time. So
This whole time I thought she just had her grandkids in there, because I just remember the first time we ever cleaned it, it was like super dirty. I thought it was just the grandkids just messing it all the time.
Tupperware stuff and boxes and just traveling, I think, at the end of the day. And they also have a dog, so that adds up to how dirty it gets.
And I was just telling Edgar, I didn't know people still sell Tupperware, like as a job, as an income source.
Yeah,
that was just like an old thing to do.
No, she still does her shows. I think she told me last time when we first met that she does them like at least once a month.
And I always get surprised that there's always shows for like every little thing. Like my ex-coworker was telling me he was going to a show for like some handcrafts item, people who make handcraft things, like anything. And I just thought I'm always surprised that there's just shows for everything.
Yeah, I've seen gun shows before. I think that's pretty popular here in Texas.
Yeah, gun shows, car shows, and those are pretty popular things.
But yeah, people gotta make money, gotta sell things. We're selling our services out here, and she's selling her Tupperware.
Yeah, so that just kind of just goes to show that if you like something, you have a passion for it, you can probably make money off of it. So remember, the grind don't stop. You gotta keep hustling, find your passion.
All right, Nathan. It took us close to 4 hours for this maintenance wash. What are you thinking?
Definitely could have been brought down an hour.
We
Could have been
had a
done in
phone
3
call.
hours. But yeah, it is what it is. I guess 2 hours each car isn't so bad. Definitely could have been done faster, in my opinion.
Yeah, like Nathan was saying, it did take us close to 4 hours this time. So usually I do it alone, but now he was helping me this time. I think it did take us longer just because Nathan hadn't worked on these cars before in the past. And I did get a phone call halfway through. A customer wanted to book us to remove some paint. No, I'm sorry, some pen that spilled. I guess like a kid spilled the pen on some leather seats. So we're gonna try to take care of that tomorrow. So yeah, we'll take care of that. We'll probably film that as well. It's gonna be a full detail. Thank you guys for watching that video. It's mainly just some maintenance vehicles that we have done in the past. When you do them about once a month, I believe. And we charge the customer $120 for each of those vehicles, so $240 total. First time Nathan does them in a while, so it was just mainly just me explaining everything to him, letting him know what to expect. But it was more of just a quick video. We just wanted to produce some content for you guys, kind of just show you a little bit of our process. For maintenance vehicles, we try to do them a little bit quicker, and when majority of the time, we take care of some of the bigger stuff, like the vacuuming, wipe down. It's not like a complete full detail, just because it shouldn't need it. We're just maintaining the vehicle to its top performance of the vehicle, the condition of the vehicle. And the customer's okay with that. We've told them in the past that they want a full detail, we'll charge them accordingly. But for what they need, this is perfect. So if you guys watch the video, definitely appreciate that. If you have any suggestions of what we should do, anything different, any thoughts, concerns, definitely let us know in the comments below. I appreciate you guys watching. You guys be safe.